Ki khubor ka bate si TV. Rakhe ka Frank Yamaha khan reus nem ya ka jing shakri ka jongka. Baden ais ngo bha sha baro kinong thi thuk thuk. Ringkat ka kabuk ser ban long kinong job ya santali ki laptop. Kani ka offer kan kot ha ka live hoteri unai lur 8000 ar pusau.
I was informed by my colleagues from Nagaland. I was mostly from Uncle for reports that he landed in Briew airport Aizon yesterday. So we're not sure about that. But he's supposed to come here yesterday. So today, we say, given that the same decision, we will issue a press statement. So we will see by tomorrow. If government can assure us that they will not let him step out of the
airport we can guarantee you. Okay, he will not. By road, I cannot take guarantee, no. You know, people have hidden chambers also.
So then we have to be vigilant only on the streets.
See, that is the tactical call you have to take. This much we can assure from even if they land here, though he's not getting permission to land here, but let us assume he lands here, we will ensure he doesn't come out of here. Our understanding is, since he has not been, though we are also getting passenger manifest. Any passenger, for example, his chartered flight is not coming, what if he comes by a normal flight? So we have also written to airport authorities, they are giving us passenger manifest. So we will, even if he comes by normal flight, we will not allow. Okay, so we need your cooperation. It shouldn't be. Yeah. We are checking Birmingham since morning. But can I take risk of assuring? Can he not come by road?
Superintendent of Police yung Ribhoi District Ujatpal Singh Dhanau haka arpu pratarik unai luar 8000 arpsa ula ong bagi board Synshar yung Ribhoi District kila depan pha daga jing Thoh ki board padai pet yung Airport Authority of India ban om ailat ya ka ling sun jong Briew ubalan Pynmih Jingkulmar bakan her hakat ling sun ha umurai USP ula ong baka jing penklan jong ki pulet ya ka jing pahara Shillong Airport kalong na kabentaban penne ya ka syong suk syong san bat ban om ailat satya yau jagat guru Shankaracharya Swami Avi Muktesh Swaranan Saraswati ba unyok mi wat na po kakat ling sun hendrai ban pha pen phai beng shaka jaka bo uwan Shushu SP lo ongru bagi bor pulet kila pen up ketem ru ha ki bobon ki kherdop jong ka jala kamtam Ribhoi district kabalong ka kherdop ka borung shaka jala mekhalia nakaliang jung inoi lam seng bhalang ki bala up lupa ha Shillong Airport kila pen pa wala da ka ling sun jong ujagat guru kayo ahyar ha Shillong Airport ken pen tikina ban be be takabor bat pan amai lat satya ban mi wat na po kani kakat ling sun.
If you want to stay here, you can. Let us, because see, even we are also not fully, like it is confirmed that he cannot land here. That much I can assure you. But what is his plan? We don't.
That may possibility that he might come tomorrow.
Yes, 100%. See, but that is why for airport, this thing, we are taking passenger manifest till 2nd of October. Okay, so we because even we don't know. Even we don't want him here. See, it is Puja time. We don't want any trouble. Even Central Puja Committee also, they have explicitly come out. See, we have written from 28th till 2nd. All the flights landing, each and every passenger, they have to tell us before. Okay. So even our try is, we don't want anybody to vitiate our state's environment.
So to sum up, it means that government won't allow him, even if he has permission to land here, he won't be able to leave the Shillong.
No. Our administration as well as government is very clear. No such thing will be allowed. It is for his own safety also. Yeah, that's all. He cannot come on the airport because his permission to land here has been denied. It is confirmed by far. His location presently is in Agartala. From this Meghalaya government and district administration is concerned, we have written to Airport Authority of India not to allow landing of person who can lead to potential law and order problem.
Like that?
No.
So ultimately he is not landing.
As far as information as of now is concerned, even Agartala airport, they have rescinded permission for him to fly out of Agartala to Umroi. But he may fly to Guwahati. And then whether he takes road route, we cannot comment on that. Yes, that is why we are here for, to ensure that law and order prevails and no such person who vitiates the environment is allowed. It doesn't belong to the state government. There are separate rules within the airport, but outside the airport belongs to state government. So in that scenario, even if it were to happen, so we will ensure that the person is not allowed to come out of the airport.